Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what this football basically does. It's called Suki. It says every 87 seconds, I think. It runs to the gear shop or seed shop, whichever is farther, and does a touchdown, which awards you with 870 shekels or 20.50% chance for a watering can instead. So, for instance, it goes to the seed shop. I actually don't know exactly. Okay, is it going to the seed shop? I'm not sure. But if it goes to the seed shop, it will award you with 870 shekels. And if it's near the gear shop, it's going to award you with a watering can. Well, it's going to give like a more chance of you getting a watering can. As you can see, it always spawns here. So let's go to the gear shop. It was here. Hopefully I get a water can, I'm not sure. Show me the gear shop. Okay, as you can see, I got the watering can because it was there. I'm not sure what else it does, but that is it. That's the collab with Travis Kelce, I think. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh, apparently it changes names as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.